and welcome to Mates Do Stuff. I'm the Summer.
I'm Dana.
Today,
Our stuff is quite big.
very big.
Make It Mini Food by the Miniverse by MGA.
I think this is season 2. So this one I think cost me £38 at the time I got it. It's got 5 things in it here, which makes it actually cheaper than buying the individual surprise balls. However, you do know what you're going to get, except for these 2 things. I don't know what those are.
Yeah, I don't know what they are. We want to know what's in the surprises. Like, why are they surprises? Is it more resin kits to do, or is it just something else? Who knows?
I love the lemon in the pink.
Yeah, although I did like the strawberries in the pink from the other one. They've put cereal on toast. They've put a waffle on top of ice cream.
Well, that one at least I can see. Like a ice cream pizza. That's just wrong.
Yeah, that's a bit random. That's right, Hulk it out.
Yep.
What's in the bonus surprises?
It's in the box. So we got these like little things in these mystery boxes.
Cute little design mystery boxes. Quite pop art.
Yes, I do like the pop art actually. I got some toast!
Oh, cute. I've got the instructions. But they're in a cute little recipes box.
That was such a disappointment!
The ice cream comes out of the little package, so does that mean you don't get any spares? Is your package just for show? Everything is out of the box.
I think I'll do the pizza first.
In that case, I'll
Love this
join
little pizza
you
box.
on the savoury stuff. Wow, that is a mess. I'm making a mess. That's not neat or organised whatsoever.
You will make it neat and organised. Neat. I can't even say the word.
Neek.
Pineapple!
Pineapple? They put pineapple on pizza. Who knew?
Alright.
Well, my husband will be thrilled. He loves pineapple on pizza.
Yeah, it's wrong. This resin is slightly thicker and a bit more awkward than the other resins.
Yeah, because it's meant to look like melted cheese. And I think it does once it's set, but it is hard to work with. I don't have any tweezers. Right, tweezers drawer. This set was clearly meant for one person to do, not 2.
Yeah! And also I prefer to have fresh tweezers for every single set. Ooh, I might put this pizza in the oven.
But now I'm falling behind.
That's fine.
I shall have to up my game.
You can join me in the oven after you've finished and then jump onto the next project. So, what is the next project? I have put the resin all over it, so I can't really tell.
That is not useful.
From what I can see, it's kind of similar to the banana split. It's even got these like strawberry topped whip things.
Oh yeah, those things from the last time. The last time.
Yes, the last time.
Epic concentration mode.
I have a plan, because this is not going to work out how this is supposed to work out. I am going to go and use that spare already.
Okay, how do we do this drink? Tiny green leaves and some
It's
lemons.
the mint leaves. That might actually work.
Kind of look a bit more like basil leaves, but maybe I'm just being picky.
I'm like, they look like basil. Mind you, my basil grew to a gigantic size.
Yeah, you had a... Well,
Freak basil.
didn't want to say anything mean against it because it lived for ages.
It did. You put it in my windowsill and it grew to the size of the window. A basil should not be this size. The leaves were bigger than my palm.
It was crazy.
I'm making an animation. put a few frames of that animation up here.
All fun things though, you know.
That is nowhere near as pink as it should be.
It's not as pink as this one.
In that case, I'm actually quite happy with that pizza. I think
It's a cute pizza.
to me, it's one of the better looking pizzas.
I don't remember where all the other pizzas are.
That waffle looks really nice. It looks delicious.
I even put strawberry on the fork that I've stuck in there.
Yes.
So this mess is this mess.
That mess you made very neat, I have to say. I prefer yours to the actual box one.
They've just been thrown on in any old place.
Yeah.
I tweezed every single chocolate chip.
This looks quite different from what the instructions were supposed to.
You've covered your instructions in resin.
Yeah, I've covered my instructions in resin. I used the...
You never put your spoon in it.
Ah, well, you'll live.
Decided against it.
It's supposed to look like that. And I was like, that's got extra strawberries in there. Like, extra berries. Like,
Oh, yeah.
those berries aren't actually on the top of the things where I can't remove them. So that's a bit unusual.
Yeah, it's not a listed ingredient. And there it is in the picture. But yeah, that's cute because, you know, cereals makes everything cuter.
It does. And I can still sort of get the spoon down.
Yeah, you could have it in for some photos, but out on others.
Yeah.
These are still not completely done yet.
Mm.
But yes, the pink one. Where's your pink one? And that pink does look pinker, but maybe it is because of the strawberries.
Yeah, maybe it is. Like, I'm wondering if it's because it's pinker or whether the strawberries are tricking my eyes.
Yeah, I'm wondering that too.
I'm like going, genuinely, I think that is a pinker pink.
I think it might be.
Like,
In which case, I'm devastated.
yeah. They
Not just
showed
disappointed,
you.
but devastated.
They showed you an incredibly pink lemonade.
Whereas what we got is this. But I do like the fact you can still see the lemons.
Yeah.
And the leaves.
The lemons and the leaves actually do look really cute. Like, in comparison to the full lemonade. Like, the lemons are kind of lost on the full lemonade.
Because it's the lemon-coloured drink with lemons in.
Yeah, whereas yours, you can really see it. So I actually prefer
Pink lemonade
pink
with
lemonade
lemons.
over regular lemonade. Like that one. We've made the most use of the resin where you can still see all the way through it. And that one is probably my favourite.
It is pretty good.
It looks really nice.
And the pizza does look delicious, regardless of the pineapple.
Yeah, pizza looks nice. I feel like pizza always looks a bit...
Meh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
By comparison to the other foods, that is, really.
I do like that one. That one actually looks like something you could buy in a shop and eat.
Yeah.
With cereals on.
That is the one that I would eat of all of them.
I love the box as well on pizza.
Yeah, the
That is a
pizza
cute
box is particularly cute. I'd have to actually fold it into itself.
Yeah,
properly.
you can close it. It is doable.
Yeah.
We're rating this product quite high because you're getting resin kits for a decent price. I think I'm going to stick with a 9 on 10 for these.
I'm going to go 10 out of 10. But there were no real surprises. Like the one surprise box that came full of recipes. That was very disappointing but hilarious.
Yeah, yes. I wish I'd have picked up your surprise box rather than the one that I did pick up.
The toast was it was alright and definitely worth it for the money.
Yes.
That's what I'm going to say. This particular thing was worth it for the money that I paid on it.
Yeah, so maybe a 9.5 for this one, for you and your purchase price. If you made it this far,
Yeah, please let us know by letting us know.
comment something. I don't know, dumb recipes. Who knows? We'll figure that out when we get to the comments. And yeah, thank you for watching. Like and comment and share and subscribe.
And whatever. And bye-bye.
Bye.
Photo time!